How to use tags in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to use tags in your notebook in Microsoft OneNote. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser, head over to your Microsoft OneNote, and once you have created a notebook, make sure that you are in the Home tab. And then on the right hand side, you can see a star with a tick option. These are the tags. You just need to tap on it and you will see various tags that you can choose from. There are tags like to do, important, question, remember for later, and many more. You can just tap on it. If you tap on to do, a checkbox tag will appear and you can write anything. And similarly, go there again and tap on important. So a star will be added. You can add a new tag. You can just keep on adding tags. So that's how it works. You can just move it anywhere, just place it anywhere on the note, and just keep on adding more and more tags according to your wish. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.